This video belongs to a series of videos that I'm filming to clarify the identity of the Nei Qi Kung Fu school, because it's easier to be misunderstood when we just browse on the web and we don't have a direct contact actually with the teachers and the students of the school. In this video I would like to talk about the goal of the Nei Qi Gong practice. It's easily misunderstood in the beginning because some people think that the goal of the Nei Qi Gong method is actually just to do Fa Qi, which is not. That is just a natural consequence of the work that we're doing. We can talk about an energetic goal, which is increasing the awareness of energy that surrounds us, and it is also within ourselves. And to become familiar with the different states of vital energy, because energy is one but manifests itself in different forms according to the density, let's say, and the quality of the particles, if we can put it in this way, composing it. So we talk usually about lower Dan Tian, middle Dan Tian, higher Dan Tian. Each of these centers actually deal, so to speak, with one particular form of this state that we find the energy in. So the goal, the energetic goal of the Nei Qi Gong practice is to become aware of the vital energy, increasing also our awareness of it, and becoming aware and learn how to master vital energy in its different states. And that also might lead to different kind of application that we might have. So the goal is to learn and to master vital energy on an energetic aspect. On the other hand, we have another kind of goal, which is the main goal of the school and the main goal of the Nei Qi Gong practice, which, as I said, is not just to do a Fa Gong. It's actually quite silly, so to speak, to spend such a big effort just to do such a little thing compared to the benefits and other aspects connected to the practice. So the real goal, let's say, of the Nei Qi Gong practice is actually the personal growth or spiritual growth, whatever you want to call it. We like to call it personal because the spiritual word has been used so much that actually has lost its meaning most of the time. It has become more an intellectual entertainment. In reality, by exploring and becoming aware of the three main energy centers, as I said, the lower Dan Tian, middle Dan Tian, higher Dan Tian, which corresponds to the mental aspect, emotional aspects, and physical aspect, we get to know ourselves. And by increasing the vital energy that we have and balancing these three main energy centers, hopefully we become better human beings. So that is the real goal, is to know yourself, to know ourselves by the fine exploration of the physical aspect, by the fine exploration of the mental aspect, by the fine exploration of the emotional aspect, increasing the awareness and the energy connected to these three different aspects, and balancing the relationship between them, because we are constantly changing. We are never in a still situation. So although, as I said, the goal is to increase these three energy centers and to learn also how to master the energies or the different states of the energy connected to these three energy centers, we always are in a dynamic movement. We are a dynamic expression of life. So the goal is always to increase these three main energy centers at the same time to balance them. So the goal of the Nei Qi Gong practice is not to become Superman or superhuman. It's just to become a good human. And to do that, we have to go through the painful and rewarding job of seeing where we are, our physical limitation, our mental limitation, our emotional limitation, And if we pair the Nei Qi Gong practice with a sincere, pure intention to do this kind of work, our energy growth will grow even faster. Certain abilities will be there, but we don't even pay too much attention to them. And we increase our quality of life, and hopefully, as I said, we become better human beings because we are more aware of ourselves on these three main centers that compose, that we are made of.